I'll start. Okay. Good morning, one and all. Welcome to our Club Toast of Toastmasters of Hyderabad Entrepreneurs, and this is meeting number 51. I'm your Sergeant at Arms, Milind Arora. Many of you must be thinking, why good morning? And I always say in my meetings, there is a proverb in Hindi, Jab jago tab savera. So you have joined Toastmaster program, so you are African. You want to learn something, make better of yourself. So I'll start the meeting by stating the mission of my club. Mission of our club is to provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication skills and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. The values of Toastmaster program are respect, integrity, service, and excellence. Let us all exhibit this commitment to this by taking Toastmasters promise. I request all Toastmasters and the guests present in the virtual room, please raise your right hand, keep it on your heart, and say I do at the end when I complete reading this promise. As member of Toastmasters Internal and my Toastmaster Club, I promise to attend club meetings regularly, to prepare all my projects to the best of my ability, basing them on the Toastmasters educational program, to prepare for and fulfill meeting assignments, to provide fellow members with helpful and constructive evaluations, to help the club maintain the positive, friendly environment necessary for all the members to learn and grow together, to serve my club as an officer whenever called upon to do so, to treat my fellow club members and our guests with respect and courtesy, to bring guests to our club meetings so they can see the benefits of Toastmasters program, to adhere to the guidelines and rules of all the Toastmasters meetings and educational activities, to act within Toastmasters core values of integrity, respect, service, and excellence during the conduct of all the activities. I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
So much. So there are some golden rules, I say, which we all have to follow during every Toastmaster meeting. In fact, we can follow them in every virtual meeting we conduct. So please turn off all your noise-making devices into silent mode. I give you 5 seconds to do so. I did my part. I hope you would have done that. Please clap whenever the control is transferred to the other person on the stage. You can use the virtual options also present below. Please check for all your audio and video connections before you start speaking. Please stay muted if it is not your turn and let the speaker speak because that distracts the speaker. If you face any technical glitch, you can contact our Zoom master as usual, DTM Raghu. Please refrain from speaking on sex, politics, and religion in any derogatory manner. Thank you so much. Now I'd like to transfer the stage to our presiding officer, Toastmaster Kalpana. Toastmaster Kalpana, over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Milind, for that kickstart. Hello and welcome one and all to the 51st chapter meeting of Toastmaster for Hyderabad Entrepreneurs Club. Today we have few guests who are not Toastmasters. So for the benefit of non-Toastmasters, let me give a small introduction about what is Toastmasters all about. Toastmasters is an international non-profit educational organization that teaches public speaking skills and leadership skills through a worldwide network of clubs. Headquartered located in Eaglewood, Colorado, the organization's membership exceeds 3 lakhs in more than 15,800 clubs in 149 countries since 1924. Toastmaster International has helped people from diverse backgrounds become more confident speakers, communicators, and leaders. Today, I acknowledge the presence of all the visiting Toastmasters and also guests who have joined us. We shall ensure that you have a fun-filled educational session and learning on improving your communication and leadership skills. I would like to pass the control to this person who is very influencing 4 times DTM, and he's the only one who was area director in same period in 2 different districts. And whenever I listen to him, I feel that I'm talking to the Toastmaster International rule book, because he is aware of everything, and I'm really happy that he is our Toastmaster of the day. DTM, 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 Murlidhar. Over to Toastmaster of the day.
Good evening. Yeah, good evening, Toastmaster Kalpana. Before I start this meeting, can I ask everybody if it is possible? Yes, I want to see you all virtually. Can you open up your cameras? Yes, yes, yes. Jyoti, Umesh, Indra, and Piram. Very good. Yes, Indra. Hi, Piram. I wanted to first to see you only. Venkat. Okay. Yes. Indra Reddy.
Sir, actually, I have technical issues. That's why
Okay, no
I'm-
problem. No problem. Can I ask the moderator, please take a virtual photograph so that it will be good. So before I start this meeting, may I request everybody to unmute yourself and give a big applause to yourself. I want to hear the sound. I want to hear the sound. This virtual platform is just to make sure that we don't leave our home or wherever it is and meet in a common place. It is, we want everything to be there. And now you can mute yourself, but you can unmute yourself as and when you want to convey. But before that, please raise your hand so that we will give you the opportunity to convey whatever you want to say. So, my friends, how many of you are entrepreneurs? Great. This club being a Hyderabad Entrepreneur Club, I just want to know one thing. What is the speciality of an entrepreneur? Speciality, USP. The unique selling.
Perseverance.
Huh?
It is perseverance.
Perseverance, very good. Fantastic. I'll come back to you, DTM Raghu. Anyone else? I want
Dedicated.
Ready to take risks.
ready
Courage
to
and
get?
confidence.
Very
Ready
good.
to take risks.
Fantastic. Why do you want to take lead, Jyoti?
And not lead, I'm saying risks.
Risk.
Risk. Ah,
RISK.
very good. Very good.
Ready to take risks.
In the place of
Maybe
K,
my
if,
pronunciation.
no problem. In the place of K, if you put E, what will happen?
Rise.
Rise.
First of all, no, it is not rise. Our core values are integrity, respect, service, and excellence. Not first is integrity. Very good. I want to concentrate on 2 points. One was said by DTM Raghu, another by dearest Toastmaster Jyoti Patnaik. She is also DTM. That is dearest Toastmaster. Now, can we get into that 2 words? What is that, DTM Raghu, you said? Perseverance. And Toastmaster Patnaik said risk. Now, if you don't take risk in life, can you be a successful person? Can you be an entrepreneur? And this is what is today's topic. Oh, I want to know timer. There is a timing for me for green signal?
As per agenda.
Okay, you can remove that for me. Okay, because I want to say something good for you. So no pain, no gain. What we will do is, as I got already the symbol of green, I want to tell you one thing. In life, if you want to achieve something, kuch karne ke liye kuch karna padega, something they say in Hindi, which I don't know very well. If you don't give up something, you cannot achieve something what you want to do in life. So this is what I'm going to concentrate. And over the period of time, I'll be talking to you more about this no pain, no gain. Now tell me, how many of you have ever lost in anything, in contest, in yes, I could see G and Amita. Yes, others have won. I see Amit is, oh, very good. How are you, Gust Venkatakiran?
I have lost time.
Very good. Now I will tell you a thing. If you want to be a winner, if you want to be successful in life, the more success you have, the more failure you should have had. Because there is no success without a failure. There is no gain without a pain. And let me come to that subject at a later point. This meeting, for those people who are new, just let me tell you, the club meetings are they are divided into two portions. One is the official portion, which is taken by the club authorities for club requirement. The second is the educational. Now coming to educational, we have three sections there. First is the prepared speech, where the speakers, they speak as per their pathways. Project Pathways is the education system for those people who do not know. Second is, we have the most tempting session, that is called table topics. And finally, this section is the most important thing. That's why it is there at the end, where you come to, while you come to the meeting, let's say you are with 10 points, but when you go out, you will be with 100 points, because people will give you ideas how you can improve. We call it evaluate to motivate. So I'm going to request one person who is going to be with me throughout the meeting from beginning to the end. She is going to be like we are all entrepreneurs. Now, at the end of the day, at the end of the year, we read the balance sheet and see how we have performed. So here is one person who is going to give us the balance sheet of today's meeting. She is none other than Toastmaster Namita Nandakumar. Now, to know who she is a passionate engineer. Wow. An enthusiastic Toastmaster. Wow, wow. And keen artist who is finding her way in this confusing world. Now, I want to know, before she starts, what is the one she is keen as an artist, which art, and I want her to share a small experience with 30 seconds to 1 minute, something which she has gained after a lot of pain. Over to you, Toastmaster Namita Nandakumar.
Thank you so much, Vidya Murli. Arts, well, it started when at the age of 4, I started to copy Mickey Mouse onto paper. Went on to make drawings of gods and mythical characters. From there, it went on to Superman and the Batman and all kind of superheroes. It moved on to crafts, making houses out of cardboards or making holders out of toothpaste boxes. All because of my mom encouraging me to try out various things which she could not pursue. Apart from that, I say writing is also an art, and I am maintaining 2 blogs. I'm going to start an official 3rd blog. So yeah, I have 2 Instagram pages and a Facebook account. That's all about all that. And the pain of that is that when I fail to do something that I see other artists doing, I feel, what am I doing wrong? I try and fail again, but that does not make sense because their art is their visualization, their imagination. My art is different. It's me, not them. So from that, I understand that everyone is different. I need not be them. They need not be me. So that's all about what you asked about my introduction and pain and gain. Moving on to the general evaluator role, I'll be keeping tabs on the role players. If the meeting is on time, if all role players are present before the meeting, where the roles taken prior to the meeting, and are every role player is introduced, guests welcome, theme of the day explained, and word of the day, idiom of the day was used appropriately, and the control was passed from one Toastmaster to another. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
I understand that as a general evaluator, you will be introducing your tag team. And for those people who do not know what is tag, timer, a counter, and grammarian. Over to you again, general evaluator.
Thank you so much. I just missed that part. I'd like to call upon the tag team starting from the timer. So could you please brief about your role?
Thank you so much, General Director Namita. This is Milind Arora as now is the second role as a timer. I will be timing the meeting from start till the end. All the speeches which are scheduled as a timing as per the agenda, the 5 to 7 minutes, or it is more than that. And all the table topics also. I will be showing my timer cards in my virtual background. So I hope you are able to see how I'm changing the colors. So suppose if it is a 5 to 7 minute speech, at 5 minutes, I will show the green. Then at 6 minutes, I will show the yellow card. And at the 7 minutes, red card. And there is a grace of 30 seconds when red card will stay there. Over to you, General.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Milind. I'd like to call upon the R counter of the day. Can you please explain your role?
So good evening to the Toastmaster of the day, the fellow Toastmasters and the guests. My name is Sridivya. Today I'm playing the role of the R counter. As an R counter, I'll be noting down all the words or the sounds that are used as the crutch or the fillers. So when I say crutch, the crutch words are something like and, well, but, the, all these things. And the fillers are all these things which we use in between the sentences. And I'll be noting some of the repetitive words and any kind of short or long pauses. And after writing down all these things, noting down all these things, I'll be giving you the report at the end of the session. Thank you. Over to you, Namita.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Srividya. I would like to call upon the grammarian of the day.
Yeah, thank you, General Evaluator. Good evening, everyone. This is Toastmaster Shiva. I'll be playing grammarian role in the today's session. Today, my job is to list down all the good usages and not so good usages used in the as part of meeting, speeches, table topics. Where as a grammarian, my job is to introduce word of the day and idiom of the day. Word of the day is industrious, meaning diligent and hardworking. Idiom of the day, work your fingers to the bone, meaning work very hard. I request all the speakers and the role players to use word of the day and idiom of the day wherever it applicable. I'll come back with my report whenever the GE calls upon me. Thank you. Over to General Evaluator.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Shiva, and over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you very much, General Evaluator. I also would request everybody, please show thumbs up when somebody is using the word of the day or idiom of the day, because they have taken a lot of efforts to use that word. Now, before I get into the main speech, main session, I want all of you, whenever somebody completes their speech or whatever addressing, can you unmute or just show virtual platform? I mean, claps, because they have put a lot of efforts to do that role. Now, once again, I want to appreciate your club. This is the first time I'm seeing in my 9+ years, Toastmaster is none other than Milind Arora as a Sergeant at Arms. Made sure that he took the promise of the Toastmaster, which only once we must have heard when we were inducted in the club. But today I see someone reminding us about this. So great, keep that good work. If I have not attended this meeting today, believe me, I would have missed that session. So no pain, no gain. I'm going to formally come to this today's meeting with the first section that is called prepared speeches. And the first speaker is DTM Raghunath Raju. Okay, but there is somebody, for those people who have come new, Venkat and Malik. Every speech, for every speaker, we have an evaluator. This evaluator must be somebody who is senior and would love to guide the speaker with positive notes and also simple ways to improve his or her speech. So we have a person. He is none other than Umesh. Is Umesh there?
Yes.
Yeah, Umesh. Okay. Okay. Because when I see your this thing, I don't know those people. So Umesh Chavan is an enthusiastic, passionate project manager. And he is a result-oriented project manager. He believes in helping people in whatever way possible, and that is his happiness. And his hobbies include learning new things, meditation, and cooking. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Umesh Chavan, who is going to be the evaluator for Distinguished Toastmaster Raghunath Raju. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the day. My target speaker, Raghu, is going to attempt his level 5 P3 project, Reflect Your Path, from effective coaching and timer guidelines for this speech are 10 to 12 minutes. Please make a note of this. Timer.
Noted. Thanks, Sumesh.
Okay. The purpose of this project is for member to reflect on or his path growth during the completion of an entire path. The purpose of the speech is for the member to share some aspects of his or her growth during the completion of a path. Toastmaster Raghunanda Raghunatha Raju, sorry, my bad. I don't want to give any fine for that. So my target speaker speech title is What's in It. I request Raghu to please check his audio and video before I transfer control to Toastmaster of the day.
Check audio, check video. Thank you.
Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Chavan. See, as I said, no pain, no gain. There are people in Toastmaster I have seen in the last, I know people who have been in Toastmaster for the last 15 years and they are actively inactive. There are people who are very industrious and even within a period of 18 months time, they become Distinguished Toastmaster. And today we have one such person, by the way, evaluator, he has given a speech about his name, Raghunatha Raju. So remember that. And I remember it very much. So Distinguished Toastmaster Raghunatha Raju is going to be giving a very, very useful subject with 10 to 12 minutes. 10, 11, and 12 are your timings, isn't it? Okay. So please help me welcome Distinguished Toastmaster Raghunatha Raju with his speech. Over to you. Now all of you mute yourself.
When somebody tells you about something, when somebody introduces something to you, when somebody talks about something, what's the first question that you have? What's in it for me? What's in it for you? When somebody pushes you into something, or maybe rather try to sell you something, in other words, in the language of entrepreneur, again the question, what is in it for you? So something that you always get in mind, isn't it? Well, my fellow industrious Toastmasters, I would say, because 7 p.m. Sunday night, if you are here, that means that we all are eager to learn something, take something back to home. Well, in 2019, when I first visited a club, and then I heard about in an education session about pathways. Why should I take another pathway? Why should I again start another pathway with icebreaker? That is the first time I heard a very viable or a proper answer to it. He said, the one taking the education session, that the way that you do your projects in first pathway, the way you do in your second pathway brings a lot of change. That is what is the scale for. When you introduce yourself in icebreaker in your first speech, then the first speech in your second pathway, there's a lot of difference. And I observe it myself. I finished my first 2 pathways. It was persuasive influence and motivational strategies. Then coming to second, when I came to the second set, when working towards my second TTM, I wanted to challenge myself. I took engaging humor and other visionary communication. But that wasn't enough, because the way that I was going around the world, visiting different clubs, when people said, we don't understand what you're trying to talk, when you're trying to input, so I have to work on myself more. But then that also insisted on giving more speeches, taking another pathway. After persuasive influence, if something that I was eager to look upon was effective coaching. But I did push it down for a later time, because the project that it had was high performance leadership. First time I did was where my mentor pushed me to do more. Then I had to become a club coach and serve a club for 4 months. This time I did something else. The journey was fascinating. When I was hopping around different clubs, different countries, I had to give different kinds of speeches, and that helped me a lot. I did repeat many speeches in many clubs. That also gave me another flavor of each speech that I gave the speech every time. Icebreaker, where I had to introduce myself. I told about the challenges that I faced in my life and how I took it up as a challenge every time, and just said, challenge accepted, and move forward. Then I evaluation feedback, I talked about a story where we all learned, a story about the King Arthur, at the same time, the story about a farm, where when we keep thinking that it's not my problem, but it's actually every problem is yours, because if you are ignoring it at this point, another time you never know when it becomes your point. And research part, I picked up about alternative investment and then discussed about in length about it. Of course, it's my favorite topic, because collecting coins is my hobby, and that comes in the alternative investment part. Now it's time for level 2. In level 2 was where I had to introspect my life and talk about my leadership style and my communication style. Again, the leadership style was something that was challenging in my first time, and even now. Then I introspected and I found that I was an altruistic leader, and then how I work in different styles in different times. But then in the end, I am empathetic towards people, because that's what I learned from my mother. About communication style, though at times I'm direct, but I changed myself to be more empathetic and more to help people. How I can do it, changing my communication style based upon situation. And I did work upon this speech where I told people how it is important to change communication style based upon situation. Mentoring. I talked about Todd mentors. Though this mentoring is a very nice topic to talk in length in life, how about adding some masala to it, and then talk about how they have tormented at times when necessary, when they push us to give some speeches or when they push us to do more than what we are doing, and how it has actually helped me, from the driver who helped me to drive my car, or my mentors in Toastmasters, or my mentors outside my life, how they actually helped me. It was fun giving the speech and repeating it as many times as possible, killing or just making fun of my mentor, but at the same time, telling the importance of mentoring every part of the world. Now comes the most exciting part. It was level 3. Level 3, if you don't know, there's so many exciting electives. And this time, it was not enough for me to just complete 2 electives on one course. I wanted more. I went forward and took so many electives this time. Connect with your audience, inspire your audience, or connect with storytelling. Storytelling is my forte and same time something I love a lot. I went forward with so many others, understanding your vocal variety, understand your body language, active listening as a table topic master, know your sense of humor. Of course, that is when my speech, what's the name, came out. And guess what? I even went forward and became one of my club winner in San Jose Toastmasters in USA. Reaching consensus was one of the core project. I took up the moments of truth in my club as one for this project. And together, we all came to consensus on the rating that should be given to our club functioning. And it was fun working with the team at the same time to get together to the consensus on a rating. It was also fun to have the area director who was present at that time, to see him that we actually work together in a democratic way. And when I sent the report, also got applaud from even the district director. Level 4 is where you talk more about your expertise, how you learn about it. That's when I had the core project improvement through positive coaching. I worked with a couple of people in India and outside whom I mentor in different platforms, not just in meetings. It was also people who I mentor Odyssey project as my mentees. Some people wanted to know exactly how to work towards their DTM projects, how to work towards the DTM path. And some people wanted to know how they could do better speeches. Some wanted to know how to expand their network. Some wanted to know about doing the actual level 4, level 5 project. It did help me a lot. The project, the way that it was designed, I think somebody should actually go and see, because the coaching, people always talk about difference between coaching and mentoring, but coaching does help you to reach your short-term goals. It also helps you to refine things that you actually want to work with. It might be short-term mentoring, but you do get what you are looking for as just as a target. Other project I have worked in level 4 was manage online meeting. Many people don't know that they can map the way that they do the Toastmaster of the day role to actual online manage online meeting project in level 4, where you need to work end-to-end, coordinating with the people, bringing a team, and then coordinating with your role players, same time also bringing to your minutes. I really love doing this project couple of times, repeating this project in different meetings. And I took the credit from my level 4. Level 5 is where you need to do activity-based process. HPL, High Performance Leadership Project, was one thing that I always like to push apart, but at the same time, I love working on one. Here, I took up the major project as working with a different set of teams across different districts to increase the awareness of pathways. Deep dive in pathways was something I have given education session, 1.5 hour session in District 18, then in Caribbean countries, especially in Grenada, also I went to different countries where I gave this session and help people to overcome the challenges that they were facing, and also help them to see how they can actually map these projects to real life. And it did help many people to attract the audience, attract the guests, and also see what is in it for them. The last was prepared to speak professionally, where I talked about my journey across the world and the journey that was important for me to break the shackles of ignorance and help me improve better. My journey was fascinating. It helped me deep dive and understand myself, see myself more better. It helped me how I can coach people better, how I can help others better, how I can do better for others as a leader or as a co-Toastmasters. What do you think for the Toastmasters and Toastmaster Day? How do you think? How do you look at in your pathway? Do you really see and ask, what is it for me, or what is it for you, or what is in this pathway? Toastmaster of the Day.
Congratulations, congratulations. And I would appreciate if you can take 30 minutes, 30 seconds and give feedback on your speech. Please, you can use the personal chat to him on Zoom or send it to him on his WhatsApp so that he can retain it and read it later on too. I have many things in common with our DTM Raghu. Many people cannot pronounce his name, and most of my people in Kuwait cannot pronounce my surname, Annadatta. So that is the one thing. Second thing, we both are numismatic coin collectors, and the only difference is he got his DTM within 1.5 years. I took almost 5 years because I was away from Toastmaster for some time, because I was in Hyderabad for almost 4 years immediately after I joined Toastmaster. So great. Toastmaster DTM Raghu is there. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the second speaker. Do you know who is the second speaker? Okay, if you know, I'm very happy. If you don't know, still I will introduce her with a different way. Now, before that, there is one lady who has traveled to US as well as in many parts of India. She has performed Bharatanatyam, which is one of the famous dances. She's an IT engineer by profession. And I want to tell only one thing. She's just in Toastmaster for 2 years, but has completed dynamic leadership and motivation strategy. By the way, I have completed 6 pathways, and I'm in my 7th pathways. And don't ask me how with 6 pathways you got 4 DTM. I've completed my traditional Toastmaster education level first. So please help me welcome a vibrant Toastmaster, the presiding officer of today's meeting, energetic, very proactive, and she's none other than our Toastmaster, Kalpana. Kalpana will be reading out the objectives for our second speaker, who hails from one of the best places I like, Bhubaneswar. Over to you, Toastmaster Kalpana.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day. Good evening once again. Today, Toastmaster Jyoti is going to deliver her Level 3 Project 1 from her Pathway Presentation Mastery. The purpose of this project is for the member to understand the types of persuasive speeches and deliver a persuasive speech at the club meeting. Timer, please note the timing is 5 to 7 minutes. I wish you all the best, Toastmaster Jyoti. Over to the Toastmaster of the Day.
Great. I know this place very well. She comes from one of the best places I like. That is Lingaraja Temple from Bhubaneswar. She is a financial advisor. I don't know, I'm also a financial advisor. She loves to dance. Wow. And at the end of this meeting, either she dances or she will sing or for those people who are eager like me, you can see her singing as well as dancing at the same time. She is member of Bhubaneswar Toastmaster Club. And over to you, Toastmaster Jyoti Patnaik, on her speech. And yes, thank you very much. She has put a lot of efforts, and let's all wish her all the best with a big applause.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster of the day. Once again, I would like to check, am I audible and visible? Thank you. Thank you so much. Timer card, I have to see the back of the timer.
He will show you behind this. It will be in his virtual platform.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
Zoom Master, if you can spotlight me also around.
No, not required. We want her to get used to it, that she has to pin you or see you or this thing. You can speak in gallery mode so that you can see his timing. Over to you.
Thank you. Let me check my to-do list.
You're breaking down, Jyoti.
Your voice is not audible.
Yeah.
Can you speak again? No, that is part of her speech. Okay, timer, restart. Yes, over to you, Patnaik.
Should I start from the starting again?
Yes, start from the beginning.
Am I audible?
Now you're perfectly audible.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let me go through my to-do list. Day is going to over, and I could not call two of my clients. I could not call so I could not wish one of my friends their birthday was there, and I could shower. And it's on and on. And many of us, we carry all these thoughts before we go to our bed. And that simply activates cortisol, which is stress hormone in our body. And that further could lead to stress, anxiety, depression, and some preliminary mental health issues. Good evening, fellow Toastmaster and dear guests. Can someone tell me how many thoughts do come to our? It's 6,200 thoughts every day come to our mind. And the mind wonders. Today, I'm going to share with you all two experiences of my life. One relating to overthinking, and the other one is thought phrases. Recently, on 23rd October, our club level tabletop competition. And one day before evening we had, but on the competition to pin up the timer card, I delivered my best. The pain of losing the opportunity is always more than the pain of failure and rejection. And same thing happened with me. I could not pin up the timer card. Thoughts after thoughts, and all those are negative. Very next day, I was mentally exhausted because I was burning all truth. Even I came to realize it's being a competition, I would have joined from laptop and not from mobile, but then also I didn't get convinced. In trying my best, writing down my thoughts, listening some nice music, and having a conversation with myself, I came out of that state. That time, I tried to connect myself that when was the time I didn't think life and I was happy. I could reconnect myself. In my graduation, I got only 50%. So being a dreamer, I wanted to go to post-graduation. But my father didn't get it because one of my elder sisters, she had done love marriage during her stay in Pune. Tried my best. My father got convinced, but with one commitment that I should not fall in love with anyone. Emotional person like me, it was intense. And during my stay in Pune, I met a guy. And he became very happy knowing I am also from Odisha. I stayed in hostel. And the very next day, he came to hostel. And you know, hostel girls, they all started screaming, Jyoti Bhatta, your boyfriend. Then I went down angrily and I responded, everybody is enjoying, so you must, you're trying to be over smart. And I accept that. And when I declined to accept the same, he threw it in the drain. The most important thing is, I never thought afterwards the person who is having feelings for me, because I was focusing only one thing, the promise which I had made to my father. In this 6 minutes, 7 minutes time, it's not possible to share all those people who came in my life and I didn't get emotionally attached to them. My friends commented at me saying that I'm heartless, I'm half-hearted, I'm emotionless. But those things didn't affect me. The 3.5 years of my stay is part of my life because I was empty on my thought process and I used to be a happy-go-merry person. My dear friends, by this time you all must have come to know how overthinking affects our life. Yesterday is gone, today is in front of us, and rather we should use our energy to create and heal, not to stress and struggle. But rather I will ask you all to give an holistic approach towards to-be list. That let whatever happens, I'm going to remain calm, quiet, happy, optimistic, and cheerful. Easier said than done, but sooner or later we can get used to it and we can get rid of inclining towards this vicious circle which is never going to give us happiness. My dear friends, I have just got few PPTs for you all to know that how overthinking can affect our life. Overthinking sabotages the creative process. But when our mind will be empty, then only we can think well. We can think in a creative way. I'm unable to go to my next slide. Well, so my dear friends, I would recommend all you to be in the present or be in the mindfulness of the present so that you can enjoy your life full and get rid of overthinking. Thank you so much, and over to Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you very much. Can I request all of you, if possible, to stand and give a standing ovation to her. In spite of our technical issues, which she may not be aware, she could complete the session, her speech. That really shows perseverance, and there is no pain, then there is no gain. So you really made it, Toastmaster Patnaik, and I'm really very happy. Just to tell you, it was a great speech. but I will allow all the members present here to give you the personal evaluation about your speech, and I will not take much more time, except that I want to tell you, your speech was like filling the blanks, but your perseverance was fantastic. For that only I stood and I asked others to stand. You may not know your speech had many disturbances, and out of your speech, 40 to 50% we did not listen. But you did not know that is what happens in life. Don't worry about what others do or not. If you are focused in doing your work, you will be a successful man. With this note, may I request our timer to give the timing report for the prepared speeches.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the day. First speaker, DTM Raghu, took 11 minutes 59 seconds. And speaker 2, Toastmaster Jyoti, took 7 minutes 22 seconds. Both are
Unfortunately, both are qualified. So we have to run. I don't know how do you do the voting this thing? Host, do you have a whole voting done now?
Yeah, give me a minute.
Okay. Okay, in the meanwhile, I will introduce one person, and he is also from a place which I like it. Two things about him. He is Amit. The Toastmaster Amit is going to be the table topics master for today. He is from Patna, which is where I have one of my best friend in Patna, Bihar, and he works as a software engineer in Amazon. By the way, my daughter just worked for Amazon for some time. She worked almost for 5-6 years, and she left, and now she's in US after her marriage. So once yes, please give your vote for the best speaker. Okay, we will end the poll because we have a very clear-cut winner. So with this, thank you very much. So the second session, for those people who are new, Malik and Venkat, can I request both of you to open up your camera and participate in this session, which is the most vibrant, active, and where everybody wants to participate. So the person who will be taking over from me for this session is Toastmaster Amit Kumar. Over to you.
Thank you, DTM Murli, for the warm introduction. Fellow Toastmaster and dear guest, good evening. One of the most exciting portion of the Toastmaster meeting is the table topic section. The main objective is to challenge our industrious audience to develop their impromptu communication skills to effectively think on their feet. Table topic is specifically designed to develop 4 essential communication skills. First, listening. Second, thinking. Third, organizing. And fourth, speaking. Today, as your table topic master, I have few questions with me related to our theme, no pain, no gain, where I'll be asking questions to our audience. Please note that time allotted for the speech is 2 minutes. You will see green signal after 1 minute, yellow at 1:30, and red signal at 2 minutes. Also, there will be a grace time period. Grace time period as 30 seconds. And I encourage each and every one of you to take part in this segment and to speak till 2 minutes. I also encourage to use a word of the day in our speech, that is industrious. So let's get started with our segment. So who wants to go first? Or yeah, I will pick one of, yeah.
Can we have Sri Divya to start this innings?
Yeah. Okay. So Toastmasters Divya, your question, your topic is thoughts on gain without pain. Toastmaster Divya, thoughts on gain without pain.
Thoughts on, you meant to say thoughts on gain without pain.
Yeah, yeah.
So can I start? Okay. So I'm Divya, as you know, I'm the counter for this day. So as per my knowledge, thoughts on pain without gain is like something like if we are participating on anything, if we have any kind of trouble, so if you are thinking that it's a trouble, then definitely the result would not be satisfying for us, because whatever the thing is we are working on, we can't get anything free. Even if we get anything free, that would be something like that kind of what do you say, self-respect or a self-satisfaction won't be there. So as per my thought process, it is something like when we fail again and again, then the kind of experience which we gather through our learnings, that actually helps us in the coming process, coming activities, which whatever we take up. So I completely agree that pain without gain is something like I definitely agree with that. And it is the saying which our teachers or the elders always say. And when we hear that kind of sentence or the fact, as the children, we may like, or any other children, they may think that those all are the words repetitively which will be told by elders and all. But then if they think effectively, if they think with their heart about the meaning of that kind of sentence, then they'll get to know what is that. But then rather than thinking about that, if they experience it, so if, for example, there is a student and who is getting first rank, and while copying, if they're getting the rank, when they're copying, they don't get that kind of thrill or something. But if they're working very hard and getting the rank, definitely they'll feel happy, and that kind of gained kind of feeling will be there, and that lasts forever. And that is where the students gets the confidence, or whoever in their life gets the confidence. So I definitely agree that we can't get anything without any pain. Thank you.
Can we have Venkat Kiran, the guest participating? Can we have you for the next topic?
Yeah, Toastmaster of the day. Good evening, all.
Yeah. So Venkat,
Yeah.
can you quickly check if you are able to see the timer card?
I will.
Okay. Yeah. So Venkat, your question is, if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be? Venkat, if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
That will be my communication skills. Toastmaster. Toastmaster Amit.
Yeah.
So the agenda for this meeting, I know, the is no pain, no gain. Can I continue?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can talk about this for 2 minutes.
In my education, coming to my education, when I was in 12th standard, I used to not study well because I hate studying. You know, whenever the studying goes literally not feeling satisfied, I used to do I have lost one subject in my intermediate. That time I don't the pain. Whenever I am going to take that risk and attempt that exam, I used to do, if I get pass marks, I will be get satisfied because there is pain. So that the pain is for everything. There is no pain, there is no gain. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Venkat. Yeah, so Mallikarjun, do you want to go next?
Sure.
Yeah. Can we have a quick audio video check once?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you also confirm if you are able to see timer card once?
I can see the timer.
Okay, yeah. So may I know like where do you live, Mallikarjun?
I stay at Dilshuk Nagar. I'm already a Toastmaster with Dilshuk Nagar Toastmasters Club.
Dilsukh Nagar, right?
Yeah, Dilshuk.
Yeah. So if not Dilsukh Nagar, where do you want to live?
If not Dilshuk Nagar.
Yeah. If not Dilsukh Nagar, where do you want to live, Mallikarjun? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Amit Kumar, Table Topics Master, for wonderful topics. If not Dilshuk Nagar, definitely I would like to live in Hyderabad because all through my life, all through my childhood, I have lived in Hyderabad, and I feel Hyderabad is the best place which I would like to live. So anywhere in Hyderabad, it would be good for me. So Hyderabad is I think there is a good city. It is having 400 years of rich legacy, tradition, culture, and what place would be more good than Hyderabad? Hyderabad, the people look for Hyderabad. The people look for the rich traditions and culture, the brotherhood, because any person from any part of the world can live in Hyderabad. It is such a friendly place, Hyderabad. So my best choice will be Hyderabad. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for the wonderful talk.
Yeah, thanks. So
we have Indra Reddy who has agreed to take the next topic.
Yeah. Yeah. So Indra, can we have like audio video check if possible? You can turn on the video.
Yeah. I have technical issues, so I'm not. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Can you confirm you are able to see the timer cards?
Yeah, I can see green, yellow. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So your topic is what have you done recently to change yourself, Indira? What have you done recently to change yourself, Indira, Toastmaster Indira?
Okay. Thank you, Table Topic Master Amit. And good evening, fellow Toastmaster of the and guests. Actually, I will change. I don't like to wake up in the morning, early morning. Actually, I woke up daily 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. I suddenly realized that why I'm waking late daily. My mom is scrolling every day. Why you are waking so late? You are a girl. You do all works in the home. They like daily so many scrolling words. I realized that why I want to take these all scrolling words to me. The best to wake up early at 6 o'clock. So I change a little by little. Like daily, I want to wake up 6:30, and after that, and decrease my time 6:50, and decrease my time 6 o'clock. Now I'm wake up being I'm realizing that 6 o'clock in the morning. So I changed these things. Thank you.
Yeah.
Over to you,
Thanks,
Amit.
Yeah. Thanks, Indira. Yeah. If we are saying like waking up 7 or 8 is late, then yeah, what would you call if we wake up at 9 or 10? Yeah.
Because I'm
So,
staying in my home, so you are doing work a little. So that's why I'm saying.
yeah, yeah. So
can we have Shiva Indra?
Shiva. Yeah, sure, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, Shiva. So yeah, can you have a quick audio video check, Shiva? Toastmaster
Yes,
Siva?
sure. Yeah, hope I'm visible and audible, right?
Yeah. And also, can you confirm you are able to see timer cards?
I am joining through my mobile. Oh, yeah, I can able to.
Okay, yeah.
See. Yeah.
So, Toastmaster Siva. So, any habit of yourself that you don't want to change. Toastmaster Siva, any habit of yourself that you do not want to change.
Thank you, Table Topic Master. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to fellow Toastmasters, Toastmaster of the day, and Table Topic Master. Thanks for the wonderful topic. See, habit is the thing which we like to have it anytime, whether it is good or bad. It is the others' pursuance, right? If I watch sports, it's my habit, it's my wish. But my wife didn't want to watch that sports, but it's not a bad habit. Likewise, if I want to go for learning new things, she wants to explore, I don't want to. Okay, so if you can ask me to change one thing which I don't want to, was, yeah, I can't take out sports from my life, whatever it may be. Whatever the sport, cricket, badminton, football, volleyball, whatever it may be, I'm very good, biggest fan of those. I'll make my time to get those details, but not at the cost of any others, like job, learning, XYZ. But I'll get it updated at any point of time. Like our Toastmaster of the day, even though he was into the Toastmasters from past 9 years, while seeing the status of the World Cup updates, I was really shocked. Is DTM Murli have this much of time to have these updates? Then I think, yeah, see, habit or our wish or a love towards something is always constant. Our new learnings, new roles will change. That's what my thing was. Thank you. Over to Toastmaster, Table Topic Master.
Yeah, thanks Toastmaster Siva for providing your insights. Okay, so who won? Okay, so we have.
How many
Okay,
topics we
Umesh.
have? Can we close this and have a next session? Do you have some more topics?
Yeah,
Table topics?
yeah. I have few more topics, but yeah, if we have time, we can go ahead with it.
We will go with the last two, and
Okay.
I will request, if possible, our first evaluator Chauhan, who is ready to, Chavan is ready to speak. He has already shown me. Hey, me. You.
Okay, yeah. Toastmaster Umesh, if you have not joined Toastmaster group, how different your life would be? Toastmaster Umesh, if you have not joined Toastmaster group, how different your life would be?
Just give me 1 minute. I need to ping the timer.
Okay.
Time. If I could have not joined the Toastmaster, my life will be boring, sleepy, and the way I'm seeing energetic, passionate, compassionate, and as I said, I believe my happiness is in helping others that I've drove from the Toastmaster journey since last 2 years. I believe the way I can help. I would like to share a small story. 8 years experience, Umesh Chauhan working as a coach in the steel engineering in Atlas Copco. I was confident. I was having leadership qualities. One, our club was charted. I have not joined for 6 months. And one of my mentor, Karen, she said, I like you to be a part of Toastmasters. I said, what's in it? She said, you will get the opportunity to explore, to enhance your current skill, and to enhance your communication skill. where I felt I was very shy and I was not able to communicate effectively. And that Toastmasters, when I joined, I got that confidence, comfort level, and most important, the people like you. One of my best friends from the Toastmaster is our DTM Raju. I have met him because of Toastmasters. I could have missed the beautiful people over there, the passionate and energetic, ever smiling Kalpana. We met on the Toastmasters journey itself. I have seen good mentors, few mentors to mention, from whom I learned a lot of things. This only because of Toastmasters. So if I could not have joined the Toastmasters, I don't think so that I could be a good mentor for many my mentees. I could not be a good speaker. I know there are always scope for improvement. I need to also improve, and I'm learning in this Toastmaster journey, and I would like to continue this journey forever. Over to you, Table Topic Master.
Thank you, Toastmaster Umesh.
Finally,
Yeah,
we have a general evaluator. Namita is ready to speak. And if we have more time, Jyoti Patnaik also, she can be, Namita could be the penultimate and Jyoti could be the final. Over to you.
Yeah. So, yeah, Toastmaster Namita, can you quickly confirm you are able to see timer cards?
I can.
Yeah, okay. So, Toastmaster Namita, if you did not join today's Toastmaster meeting, what would you be doing right now? Toastmaster Namita, if you did not join today's Toastmaster meeting, what would you be doing right now?
Thank you so much for the topic, Toastmaster Amit. Hello, Toastmasters and dear guests. What a lovely topic. Perfect for me because I'm an overthinker. Overthinker who will work my fingers to the bone thinking about what can go wrong. I brought watermelon and I already had cucumber. I was going to make juice, but instead of that, I was overthinking about my upcoming speech. After that, I went on, made dinner and had it. Then I was thinking, why should I join this meeting even if I'm a general evaluator? What is there in it for me? After that, after joining this meeting and when the meeting started, I started thinking, okay, the same routine, people are speaking, I'm listening, in between I lose focus. As usual, I'm in my own world. What am I doing here? And then I focused on Toastmaster Raghu's speech, and man, he is industrious. He goes around virtually to different clubs all over the world, and then he gives speeches or plays roles and then gives us the feedback that, okay, this is what I learned. This is what I understood. Maybe you can gain something from this. And after that, I realized the Toastmaster of the day is really energetic and enthusiastic. I mean, my dad is of his same age. And he is not a good communicator. Sorry to say that, because he, instead of giving a solution, he will advise, he will give his own example. Still, I won't be motivated because he's thinking from the era of 1820s, which I cannot relate. I live in 2021 and I'm already in 2022, but he's giving examples from his age of 1970s when he was in college and he did this and that. World has changed totally. He did not have computers. I'm working whole day on computer, and even the phone is a mini computer here. So yeah, coming back to the topic, why I joined the meeting is that I wanted to learn. I'm trying to improve my communication leadership skills. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Namita. We have a last topic, Toastmaster Jyoti. Can you quickly confirm you are able to see timer cards?
Yes, I can see, but am I audible clearly?
Yeah, now, yeah, we can hear you.
You are audible in the beginning and at the end. In the middle, it is fill in the blanks.
I'm sorry for the same.
Okay. Toastmaster Jyoti, your topic is, after going through a lot of pain, I gained nothing. Toastmaster Jyoti, after going through a lot of pain, I gained nothing.
We all human beings are hardwired in such a way that we try our best and same time we want to get back the best. I know risks and returns, they are siblings. But sometimes it happens, giving our best also, we do not get the return. And there where the disappointment starts, and there where it is tested that how much strength and how much mentally we are strong, or whether we can go for the second ride or not. But let me tell you all honestly that I am not a giver. I'm not a quitter. That's why I'm a Toastmaster. When I joined Toastmaster Community Club Bhubaneswar, somebody was there. I'm sorry, I cannot take the name. Used to discourage me every time whenever I'll nominate for a role. She will text me, no, you cannot take. You will take next time. Once even for my speech also, she made me run for 2 months. Then with my mentor's support, I could deliver it in another club. Being an emotional person, I used to find it very difficult. Toastmaster people say it's a positive. This lady like me, because she was very younger. Add value to your life. I said, rest, all people love me so much. For one person, I'm not going to quit. I delivered my speech in other club. I got the best speaker. And next, when the EC came, I became the VP membership. There I learned a big lesson. When is the tough time? It is testing time, because tough situations always do not last. But tough people, they last, and they last forever. And they set an example for others. And mind your fellow Toastmaster, always be in life that. Then you will be a winner. And no challenge is going to be, the challenge has to surrender to yourself. Thank you so much. Over to Table Topic Master. And thank you for this topic also.
Yeah, thanks, Toastmaster Jyoti. So yeah, this was the last topic for today. Thanks everyone who take part in this segment. Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day, Murli.
Thank you very much. Can you all give a big applause to the Toastmaster, Table Topics Master, Amit? See, maybe I must have intruded into your role, but just wanted to, yeah, before we do the thing, I want to have the timing report for the table topic session. Timer.
I'm so sorry.
No issues. I just wanted to say that everybody is qualified. So please give your vote. Already the voting is going on. No problem. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. I just want to tell you, all of you, the pain you feel today will be the strength you will feel tomorrow, which has been very well articulated by none other than Patnaik. And she came back again. Yeah, I just wanted to share that. The main content which she wanted to convey, and then again she ended. You are very good in opening and closing, and the body part is all imaginary. And that is why we take risk, and we are all in this entrepreneur's business. Very good. I'm sure the voting is over, moderator. Very good. Please give a big applause to all the new members who have come forward. I mean, guests who have come forward to speak in this table topic session. The best part is the table topic master was ready to give us any type of topic and make everyone happy. I did not want the main speakers to repeat again. That's why I gave opportunity to others. Now, how many of you have come to this meeting to learn something and go back happily, other than Namita? Because 1820, our father, by the way, I am from 1520. I don't know how old is your father. Thank you, Malik, and thank you, Venkat, and thank you, our timer. Every time we attend a meeting, I would recommend you few things before I give this platform to a general evaluator. How many of you carry a notebook in this meeting. Great, excellent. Now the purpose of Toastmasters is, I don't know how many of you see the cinema, when you pay 150 rupees and go to any cinema in any of the multiplex. I go, if it's 6 o'clock show, I'm there at 5:45. Even today's meeting was at 7 o'clock. I was there at 6:30 itself, even before the moderator could come in. And when the meeting is over, I mean, when the cinema is over, we have to make use of every second an opportunity given to us. That is the pain you will take to have a better game. And we have a very young, energetic girl who is excellent in art, but I see our artistic character is our good initiative to learn things. And we really appreciate her coming today to this meeting.
Sorry to interrupt, Toastmaster. I think Mallikarjun had a question. Mallikarjun, did you raise your hand?
No, he showed his hand just to say that he came here to learn something new.
Yeah,
Isn't
yeah.
it?
Yeah, for notebook also. I was carrying notebook for that.
Thank you.
Notebook, so.
Thank you. I'm a professional psychologist, so I know each and everyone what they are. I mean, this is a fact. I'm a professional psychologist, so that is the thing. I'm paid for that only. And let's give a big applause and welcome on the floor, virtual platform, our general evaluator, the young, energetic Namita Nandakumar. Are you from Tamil Nadu by any way?
No.
Okay, because Nandakumar is a Pakka South Indian, that part of South India.
Yeah, I'm a typical Kerala Brahmin, but
oh, you're from Kerala. I thought whether okay. So Swagatam, Suswagatam, Namala Namita Nandakumari ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So നിങ്ങളെ നമ്മളോട് general evaluator ആക്കും. Over to you.
Yeah, so interesting story. My father does not like the Brahmin culture, especially the culture in my caste. So he clubbed his fathers and mothers.
Toastmaster discourages speaking in history. This thing warned by our Sergeant at Arms. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster of the day. Now, what is a meeting without a feedback or evaluation? How will you know where do you work? What should you work on? What you should improve? And with those constructive criticism, how can you improve on in the next meeting? For that, I would like to invite Toastmaster Umesh to evaluate the speech given by DTM Raghu. Over to you, Toastmaster Umesh.
1 minute before you allow evaluator to say, for the benefit of our guest, you please explain him the evaluation session and the timing for it so that they are aware about it. Thank you.
Okay, so the motive of the evaluation session is to provide the role player and in this case speakers with valuable feedback that they can implement in their future speeches and work upon their public speaking skills. The timing for this session is 3 minutes. So over to you, Toastmaster Umesh.
What's in it? There are a lot of things in my target speaker Raghu's speech. I have seen industrious, comfortable, confident Raghu who has worked his finger to the bone. The title itself has a hook. It was a well-organized speech with perfect opening by giving a small start. And what's in it? If it is something, then I only listen. And same way, at that note you started and that interest you maintained throughout your speech. Congratulations for that, for engaging audience from beginning of your speech until end. You ended with the question to TMOD. What's in it in your path, TMOD? That was the beauty of Raghu, that he has, that comfort level, confidence to construct the speech and deliver. The three things which I liked the most in his speech, first was there are different small stories, how he has completed his path, level 1, level 2, What's in it in level 1, he has narrated. What's in it in level 2, he has narrated. He categorically mentioned a mentoring and how he was giving the speeches about mentor, some good mentor, some memories about the mentor. And that has engaged, and that has given a thought to me also, that one of my mentor was tough, and she ensures that I will deliver my best. Same time, I like the hand gestures and the body usage done by the Toastmaster Raghu. That was beautiful. And even I noticed the eye contact which he has made with the audience. Sometimes he's coming front and sometimes he's coming to narrate his speeches. That was well demonstrated. He has mentioned what is the reflecting path after completion and why he has given this path effective coaching and how the HPL project has mentioned. I believe there is always scope for the improvement. So there are few suggestions which will make your speech more effective. The 3 P's: pause, position, and pace. I felt if you give a perfect pause, a small pause after every transition of the level, that could have given the audience or myself to sink in what you are telling in each level. Second, in between, I felt your speed and tone was monotonous. And I have seen that you have allowed vocal variety you have already demonstrated. Being comfortable storyteller, if you could have added a small story, because there was time of 10 minutes, and you could have narrated the story of your total path, that could have helped to understand. And one thing I noticed after this pace you demonstrated earlier, today was also there, but if you could have effectively used throughout the speech, it was more engaging. The best part which I liked, that for anything you put a smile on your face while concluding on that topic. That was icing on cake. So all the best and congratulations, Raghu, for completing your total path. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Umesh. Now I would like to call upon the soft-spoken and very warm Toastmaster Kalpana to evaluate the speech of Fill in the Blanks by Toastmaster Jyoti. Over to you.
Thank you, General Evaluator. Toastmaster Jyoti, life is all about unexpected events. Let it be a speech which we have to have fill in the blanks, or a river which goes on and on and on. If any time river would have thought that, oh, I have a stone on my way, I want to stay here, then we would never see life on earth. In the same way, from your speech, I understood that whenever we work hard and we put our fingers to the bones, only then we'll become indigenous and we'll be able to get out of our comfort zone and move towards the growth zone. You have demonstrated a well-structured speech. Whatever I could catch, let me share my observations. Coming to the commendations, you have started off the speech with some checklist kind of thing which always hooked the audience. You always been cheerful and presented your speech. You have used good hand gestures and structured your speech. Even though I was not able to listen to some of the parts, I was very well able to connect with overall speech, what you wanted to convey to us. Good job on that. Now coming to the recommendations, I have 2 recommendations for you. One, I observed that you have a local language influence on your speech. I would suggest you to start practicing the vocal varieties and listen to yourself, record your speech and listen. That is where you will be able to overcome this local language influence. I would also like to suggest you, this local language influence comes to us when we start thinking in our local language and convert it into English. You have to start practicing to even think and deliver in English. That is when you'll be able to overcome this. Then second observation which I wanted you to add is you have a lot of scope for adding vocal varieties. You could say, I failed in table topics just because I could not see the time. Something like that would make your speech more effective. Overall, well-structured and well-delivered speech with good transitions. All I would challenge you is to ensure you are able to overcome your local language influence, add few variations to your delivery. This will take your speech to definitely next level. Thank you for giving us a wonderful speech. All the best for your upcoming speeches. Over to the general evaluator.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Kalpana, for that warm and pleasant evaluation. I would like to call upon the timer for the timers report.
So, Toastmaster Umesh evaluated first, took 3 minutes 38 seconds, and evaluator 2, Toastmaster Kalpana, took 2 minutes 32 seconds. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Okay, now let me call upon. I'm sorry, I'm trying to understand.
Milind, I'm sorry. Are they both qualified? Can I launch the poll?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, Toastmaster Umesh has overboard the time.
I have exceeded the time. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Okay, so shall I call upon the R counter and Ramarian for their reports respectively?
Yeah, Namita. So I can say that everybody gave their best, and as we are human beings, we do commit few mistakes. So as per the observation and the readings, I can say that Toastmaster Namita has one, Umesh has 0 counts, and Murali Manohar has 1 repetition of word. Raghu has 1 short pause, and Jyoti, the speaker 2, Jyoti has 1 short pause. And Sri Divya, our counter, has 1 long pause and 2 asks. And Toastmaster Amit has 1 and table topic speaker Kiran told 1 and the Toastmaster Mallikarjun has 1 pause, and guest the Toastmaster Indira has 2 asks, and Toastmasters Shiva has 0 counts. So that was the observations from my end. Thank you for this opportunity.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Shiva here, your grammarian for today's meeting. First of all, I would like to appreciate our Toastmaster of the day, DTM Murali, our first speaker, DTM Raghu, and table topic master, Toastmaster Amit, and our general evaluator, visiting Toastmaster Namita for using the word of the day. And again, visiting Toastmaster Namita and evaluator Toastmaster Kalpana for using the idiom of the day. Thank you for using the word of the day and idiom of the day. Let me list out the good usages in today's speeches, or the phrases which used in between the lines also. Evaluate to motivate, fascinating, alternative investment, numismatic, perseverance, vibrant, think on their feet. These are the good usages which I observed in our speeches. There are some improvement areas where one of the Toastmaster is saying it as no pain without gain. It is no gain without pain. It was the words was flipped from front to back. Not study. One of the speakers said that not study well. I'm not good at academics. It can be fit very well in that statement. Lost a subject. It can be used as failed in a subject. Where do you live? There we can use where do you stay, or where do you from. We can ask in that first. And I'm having technical issues. Is the appropriate word or phrase which I think of. This is the report from my end. Over to General Evaluator. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Shiva, for that report. May I call for the polls for the best evaluation and best of tag team?
we don't do poll for role players, and then for evaluation we don't need, because
Okay.
Umesh is tough time.
That's fine. What about the best evaluation?
Evaluation only, there is only one evaluator who is qualified. The other person, out of his excitement, he got disqualified.
Okay, so moving on with the general evaluation report. Wow, what a meeting. First of all, I'm glad that I did not stray away from my responsibility and I actually joined this meeting today on a Sunday evening, which many people will think that is a boring thing to do and I don't have a social life. I do have a social life, just that I keep it to myself. And the meeting has started on time. It has progressed very beautifully thanks to our Toastmaster of the day and the role players. Speakers were very efficient in their work, in their speeches, and evaluations were good. Table topics out of the world, funny, and did put some of us on the spot. I'd like to share my screen here. Host has disabled participants.
Should be able to share now.
We have done it.
Right. It still says host disabled.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, now you can try.
Can you just let me know if you can see my screen?
Yes, yes, why not?
Why? Okay. For some reason, this thing is blocked. Anyway, the president, Toastmaster Kalpana, was very warm in welcoming everyone, including the players. As usual, she was soft-spoken and very pleasant to listen to. TMOD, DTM Murli, energetic, proactive, did captivate with all his words and all his phrases. Tag team, Toastmaster Milind kept everything on time, gave a good timer's report. Our counter was very vigilant in noting down all the filler words and giving her report. Grammarian chose a very relatable and usable word of the day and idiom of the day. At least I did not find it difficult to use them. TTM Amit. He asked one of the role player about where he's staying and then moved on to ask him where else would he stay? I mean, how to put a person in a spot, that we can learn from Toastmaster Amit. The replies were funny to such good table topics. Moving forward with the speakers and the evaluators, DTM Raghu, as usual, gave an informative speech. It was to the point, the tone was pleasant, and the gestures were good. Toastmaster Jyoti, in spite of her technical disability, she kept going on, and to a point I could understand her speech is objective. And Toastmaster Umesh, who gave the evaluation for speech 1, was good with the introduction of the speaker and the speech and was to the point, crisp and clear. Unfortunately, he was disqualified. Toastmaster Kalpana, as I always have been telling that she is very warm, she's very soft-spoken, she gave a good and valuable feedback. And with that, I would like to end my report here. Thank you so much for inviting. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you very much, General Evaluator, Namita Nandakumar. Valara Nani. Now, let me tell you, we have some 20 minutes time, but I wanted to speak on the topic given by our table topics master. What would have been if I had missed today's meeting? Believe me, I would have missed this many 12 members. Though I know personally DTM Raghunath Raj. By the way, I have not met him, he has not met me. But have you seen sun and the moon at the same time? How many of you have seen sun and the moon at the same time? Milind Arora, yes. Tell me, when did you see?
At the dawn.
Okay, very good. How about you, Namita?
On the TV in solar eclipse or lunar eclipse.
But have you seen it in Toastmasters? Wherever I am there, he is not there. Wherever he is there, I am not there. But today, for a change, both of us are there. So this you would have missed if you have not attended today's meeting. And he travels in one part of the world, I travel in another part of the world, but we meet confluence in some place like this. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, DTM Raghunatha Raju. Nahi, Raghunatha Raju. Okay. Second, thanks to Kalpana for starting the meeting in a very good way. Some tips I would like to give you on the way the meeting has gone. With just two speakers, one speaker taking 10 to 12 minutes, in spite of just two speakers, believe me, we have got 20 minutes. Beautiful. That means I really want to first thank our timer who showed me red in the beginning, green in the beginning. It took me for a shock because we, as a Toastmaster of the day, we take more time to breathe, but it is good. If you don't have speed breakers or if you don't have goal post, you will not know, you will be just going on. I will just share one small incident. 4 people were driving in a car. They were going in a car and they asked a policeman, "Sir, where is this road going?" The policeman asked them, "Where do you want to go?" They said, "We are just going for a drive." So the policeman said, "You are in the right road." Because we don't know where we are going, he said, "You are in the right road." So if we don't have timer or goal post, we will be missing. So my sincere thanks to the Sergeant at Arms as well as timer. Believe me, with your permission, Amit Kumar, Milind Arora. Arora, where are you from?
I mean, basically I'm from UP, but currently I'm in Bangalore.
Great. So I will take your suggestions, what you have done. I will try to implement that in my other clubs. Beautiful. 10 promises everybody should know. And please give a big applause to the DTM Raghunatha Raju DTM. He is going to be completing his second DTM, and our best wishes to him. Our second speaker from Patnaik, from Bhubaneswar, you really gave a great speech. And next time when you give a speech, do one thing, you record your speech, and at the end of the meeting, upload that recording so that we can really know. It was a technical thing, but I really have to tell you, you are a woman with perseverance. Great. Our first evaluator. Wow. Where is Chavan? He has taken overtime, so he has gone back to home. Umesh ji? Umesh?
Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second.
Okay, take 2 seconds. Where are you from, Chavan bhai?
Actually, I'm from Pune, Maharashtra.
Namaskar. कसं काय?
एकदम मस्त काटाकीर घोडे फरार. तुम्हाला ऐकलं आणि घोडे फरार झाले.
खूप चांगला.
त्यात नादात माझं टाइम पण एक्सीड झालं.
My wife is, she's from a place next to your place called Lonavala. So she's from Pune University. Very good. So I know Pune very well. Very good, Chavan. You did a great job. But the thing is, whatever you want to say, you have to say it within that 2 to 3 minutes. Next time, I'm sure you will do it, because I can see from you that you are a very, very enterprising Toastmaster. Excellent. Kalpana, you are very smart, Kalpana. You could read between the lines. They say, no, read between the lines. You could read between, understand what she was trying to speak from opening to the end, but you constructed the bridge very well and gave a fantastic evaluation. Excellent. Let's give a big applause to the smart man who gave us excellent topics. He is none other than our topic master, Toastmaster Amit. Grammarian, great job. I really appreciate Shiva Indra in the process. He even praised me, which I did not know how he came to. Of course, he knows. Mallikarjun and Venkata, thanks for being part of our table topic session. Indra Reddy, చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అమ్మా వచ్చి మాట్లాడేందుకు. By the way, I am a different Toastmaster. It is an English Toastmaster club, but the Toastmaster is basically for two things. One is for communication and second is for leadership. Communication can be in any language as long as it reaches the other person. Of course, this is the Toastmaster. In actual Toastmaster meetings, this is after the meeting I'm talking. So that is the thing. Can we all give a big applause again to our R counter for doing a great job? Finally, the woman who is stupendous, excellent, though she's from the end of the world, that is the Kerala, which is like Karela, and she did a great job as a general evaluator. Excellent, Namita. I have already taken her number and told her that I will be needing you for other clubs. By the way, you know, I am the Vice President Education for the first Toastmaster Club in the world in USA. I am also the area director and I'm a member in Dubai, Kuwait, Bahrain, except India. Raghunatha Raju did not take me or suggest me. Inshallah, I will open a new club with the support of DTM, Raghunatha Raju DTM. So that is the thing. I'm in the process of starting my 5th DTM. So anybody want any help for your speech, please ask me, I can help you. So finally, with the one note, I'm going to hand over this to the presiding officer. I have been to many clubs, believe me. It's not I'm not talking about now Zoom meeting. When I started Toastmaster in 2013 May, before 2014 April, in just less than 9 months, I had attended 200 physical meetings. So that is my passion with the Toastmaster. What would have happened if I did not join Toastmaster? I am a motivational writer, speaker, so I would have been concentrating on that. But becoming a member of Toastmaster, I could know how to speak within that time because people like Milind Arora always shows me signals. No, that's a difficult thing. It is a laborious, industrious activity, but everybody can achieve because no pain, no gain. And final note I want to tell you, if anybody is interested in taking up roles outside, of course, DTM Raghunatha Raju has been supporting us a lot, but we can all, I mean, I've been posting my request and I'm getting good response. Please come, I can take you worldwide. Balash, yani free of cost, without moving from your home. That is the advantage of Toastmaster. How many people like Corona? Yeah, okay. Believe me, I love Corona. Because of Corona, I become an area director in London. Because of Corona, I become a VP education in America. Because of Corona, see, immediately after this meeting, I'm going to join another meeting now in Kuwait. And so Corona is our good friend. Please patronize her, but only tell her your time is up and red, you'll have to go, no grace period. We have given you enough time. So with this note, I would like to thank DTM Raghunatha Raju for giving me this great opportunity to be your Toastmaster of the day. But I got a real good friend, one from Bhubaneswar, one from Patna, one from Pune, one from Natlevada.
Guruvayur, Thrissur.
Oh, Yenda Guruvayur Sugandane. Okay, very good. So one from, by the way, I know 8-9 languages professionally. I read, write, and speak very well. So I'm happy to see. I did ask only one person. She may feel bad. Sri Divya, where are you from, ma?
I'm from Hyderabad, sir.
Very good. Amchi Hyderabad. Amchi Hyderabad. I really thank somebody who said he loves Hyderabad better than Dilshuk Nagar. Both are in Hyderabad only. Great. So with this note, I am over to you, Her Royal Highness Toastmaster Kalpana the Great.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster of the Day. Before I say something, I want everyone to please applaud him once.
And I will suggest everyone, if you have loved this, I mean, I'm a fan of you. So this is especially hard from my side.
Yes.
Problem is,
Thank you. And before
ask
Kalpana,
anything, you ask anything, and DTM Murli will have something to say on it. Even on the languages, so you see, when he says that he can speak those 9 or 11 languages, he really can speak them. He has already demonstrated speaking those 5 languages. He also knows Kannada, as per my understanding, and also other southern languages. And
I know Tamil. My mother tongue is Telugu, but I'm a Tamilian by birth. But I have lived 58 years of my age only with Malayalis, because I'm a non-resident Indian from Gulf. So the first language you have to know is Malayalam, followed by Hindi, followed by Telugu. Then if you know English, you can manage. Okay, dear Toastmasters, I want you to give me, those days, I don't know how many of you were there in the physical Toastmaster meetings. There is a big ballot sheet. In that, there will be one column for your tip to Toastmaster of the day. I would request everybody, please give your review or whatever you want me to improve or whatever you found to be good. Please give me your feedback. And I request everybody to give feedback to General Evaluator, Table Topics Master, Grammarian, R-Counter, also Timer. Please send them a personal note, because that is what they expect at the end of the day. One thing, appreciation. Second thing, areas of improvement. So please take, and don't flatter people, because at the end of the day, you're going to put them in the right path. Okay? Over to you, Kalpana.
Thank you very much, DTM Murli. I'm hijacking the session, Madam President. Please excuse me for that. It's time to present our report. Okay. Certificate for day.
I forgot one more thing. Namita, I was telling, but I forgot. I've attended many club meetings, but I have never seen a general evaluator presenting a report like this. Fantastic, which I want you to repeat it in other meetings where I'll be kidnapping you.
What Namita does is, she does this justice to every role. Any role that she takes, she does that.
She is going to be the R-Counter of my club meeting day after tomorrow between 9:30 a.m. PM to 11:30 p.m. Indian time in my home club. Timer Talkers.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you. Certainly, the pandemic has been we know that it has played a lot of disaster for many, including me, where I've been lost. But same time, even in terms of Toastmaster Panic Talk, it has helped us to go around the world in Zoom land, and just without any efforts to travel, we were able to make it to different clubs, and that learning has helped a lot. Let me start our appreciation today by welcoming of the guest, Venkata Kiran, for joining today. And we also had Toastmaster Mallikarjuna, who is joining us from Dilsukh, who is a Toastmaster in Toastmaster. Then DTM Anadata V. Murli Manohar, thank you for taking the Toastmaster of the Day role, gracing us with your presence and helping to run meeting full 2 hours and ensuring to fill wherever as required and guiding us as required in between wherever we are falling short. Let me also appreciate Toastmaster Namita, who has taken general evaluator role and given full justice to her. Thank you very much, Toastmaster Namita. Toastmaster Sri Divya, I always love the way that you are always enthusiastic to learn, but taking the role as our counter and helping us to improve and to clean our speeches better. Toastmaster Shiva Indraganti for playing grammarian role. All the best, Toastmaster Shiva. Toastmaster Milinda Arora, who is, we can say, the timer of the club, and apart from Sergeant at Arms, always love the way that he perfectionist in anything that he does. Thank you very much, Philip. Now, the table topic speaker, best table topic speaker goes to Toastmaster Jyoti Patnaik. Jyoti, I love the speech that you gave today as part of your table topic. Hopefully, we could have hope that we could also listen to your speech better. Otherwise, you would have been the best speaker there as well. Best speaker goes to me. Thank you for all the love that came.
Please
from
give a big applause to
Yes.
the best speaker of the day, DTM Raghunatharaju.
Thank you very much. And best speech of all goes to Kalpana because there was no opposition from my friend Toastmaster Umesh. Umesh, thank you very much for ensuring to go overtime to allow Kalpana to win. Overall, I loved the meeting and hopefully we will have more fun and you will help me to complete my term as VP Education. Please take roles in other next meeting. I pass the control back to our presiding officer.
Thank you so much, DTM Raghu, and special thanks to
We have-
Toastmaster Umesh.
We have Toastmaster Umesh Chavan who wants to say
Yes.
something in Marathi.
Yes, yes, Umesh.
No, I will not say in Marathi. I will for thank you, Raghu. But you deserve whether I shoot out with the time, but it was a perfect evaluation. And Raghu, because of you overshooted, because always whenever you give me a last minute evaluation of yours, I'm under impression whether I will be able to make the justice to evaluate such, I'm lacking of words. Such a fantastic speaker, storyteller, confident, energetic person. And that pressure, I always make some mistake in my evaluation when I evaluate your speech, specifically. I will next time, it's a challenge for me that I will evaluate your speech only with my effective way. But today's Kalpana, you deserve because it was clear cut, like you mentioned commendation, conclusion. The more important, the evaluator not want to say what to improve or what point you challenge. You can demonstrate, and that you have demonstrated. That was the point where you took the award. So congratulations on that. And one point I would like to mention, with due respect, our TMOD. What an energetic, lovely, means I was missing. I heard the name, I heard the few things about him, but today I point to evidence, explorer, the person, our aura can make the meeting more effective, joyful, present. Thank you, and I would like to be in such aura whenever I get the time. And last but not the least, thank you for Toastmasters for giving me such a wonderful friend, wonderful Toastmaster, and a wonderful helping hand in the form of Toast DT. I will take the correct name, Raghu. Thank you.
That was nice and great to listen to you. I would now request Toastmaster Mallikarjun, visiting Toastmaster, to please share your feedback.
It was very good visiting your club, all cheerful, industrious people here. And table topic session was very good, exciting, stimulating. Speeches, very good. I always love to hear DTM Raghu, his storytelling speeches. I was listening, very good. It's really a wonderful meeting. I have learned a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Mallikarjun, for having you.
Please keep coming again and again,
Yes.
Mallikarjun.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, sure.
Dilshuk Nagar to Hyderabad is just a Zoom call away.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
And now I would like to listen to Venkat. Venkat, how was it when you took part in table topics?
Yeah, man. The questions are very exciting.
So it's time for you to join Toastmasters, and you work on your communication and all. We are here to help you.
Yeah, man. Definitely, that will be fine. I will join the sessions and I will continue my journey. Okay.
Can you officially close the meeting because it's 9 o'clock?
Yes. Yes, we can officially close the meeting and have few minutes for networking. May I request Toastmaster?
I just